Now, recently, I shared with you the importance of shedding bad debt, right? There's good debt that brings money to your household. There's bad debt that pushes money away from your household. And it's important to know the difference. Now, one of the strategies, remember I told you about 10 days ago that there are 4 really powerful strategies for getting out of debt faster. The snowball approach, the avalanche approach, this idea of velocity banking, and then the index cash flow method. Today I want to talk about the snowball approach, which is the most popular. It's not necessarily the fastest, but it depends on your situation. This is one that I use with my private coaching clients. Now, as I said before, bad debt would be things that take money away from you. For example, credit card debt almost always takes money away from your household cash flow and has high interest rates, or it gets people in this pattern of jumping from 0% interest rate to the next, but without actually reducing the balance. And so people can get caught in this trap. Now, what the snowball strategy is, what you need is really 2 things. You need to be organized with all of your debts on one page. You need to know how much you owe, what the minimum is, and what you've been paying, right? The second thing that you need is you need margin, right? Now, margin is any money between what you bring home from your income and what you spend. That in-between difference is called margin, or the debt drive-down amount, right? You need to have something, and you use that and you strategically get out of debt. So with the snowball, remember in old-fashioned cartoons, a snowball would start maybe this big and it would roll down the hill, and by the end it was just this massive, destructive snowball that would wipe out any cartoon character, right? So that's what you're going to do, right? So you're going to start with the smallest balance, and you're going to pay the minimum on all the other debts, which seems really weird to do, right? But with that one, you're going to take your margin or your additional debt drive down amount, and you're going to apply that. What you're going to do is you're going to aggressively attack that smallest debt. Well, guess what? When that's paid off, now you have the margin or the drive down debt, plus you just picked up that minimum payment from that one. Don't go spend it on something else. Combine those 2. Now your snowball just got a little bit bigger. Now you apply that bigger amount onto the next debt along with its minimum. And then when you pay that one off, now your snowball's bigger. I think you see the idea. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger as you pay off more and more debts. Now, you will have to decide whether a mortgage is good or bad debt. I can mathematically persuade people that it's good or bad, and so it just ultimately comes down to you. But that's how it works. It is a fantastic strategy, and it has been proven to shave months or even years off of your get out of debt plan. It has also been proven to shave hundreds or even thousands or tens of thousands of dollars off of the interest that you would waste on your debt situation. So anyway, that's the snowball approach. I'll probably do another one, another video where I actually have numbers and walk through. Maybe a client will give me permission to use their numbers to walk through. But right now, getting out of debt may be more important than growing your investments. You know, I'll leave that up to you. But if you're earning 5% in the market and you're paying 28%, something's out of balance, and you need to look at your own debt situation. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this information on the snowball effect for getting out of debt faster. I want to remind you that you are amazing. I appreciate you being in my community, and I'll see you on the next video.